What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. I got another unboxing for you today. I know that seems like that's what all of it's been going on lately, but it's been real hard to get on a fish lately. But hopefully we're going to change that. I got a trip coming up this Sunday to a place where I've caught fish before, trout. I'm pretty excited for that. Also, I just figured out that there is a creek not even like a few feet from my house. Had no clue. So I'm thinking sometime tomorrow I'm going to get out there and hit it with a dry fly and see if we can get any panfish or creek fish stirring up. But let's go into what we got right now. Oh, I was able to find a Motherload box at Dick's, actually. There's only 2 of them left. This is number 75. It's $80 value, 12 to 15 baits. Biggest box I've ever done. It looks really cool, the design-wise. I've been loving all this MTB stuff. I don't know if there's any more real information about it. Let's see what we got on the box. Well, it says what's inside, 12 to 15 baits, tips and tricks, limited edition fishing decal. That's pretty cool. It'd be cool for the yak. Great reason to hashtag happy dance. Alright. Grab my old scissors here. Cut this bad boy open. This is so difficult to do one-handed. Especially because I don't want to rip the box. There we go. Ooh, bigger box inside the other box. Smaller box, I guess. Let's go ahead and get this cut. Alright. I have no clue what's in this. Oh, I see goodies already. Start with the tips and tricks. No reason to really read that. I think I've actually read that one before. Oh, that's what's inside. I don't want to know. I like to just pull stuff out. Motherload. Find out if you've won. Go to motherlode.com and enter the promo code to find out what you may have landed. Okay, that'll be pretty cool. Put that over there. So, oh, there's one of the stickers. I actually have one of these already, one of the MTB stickers. Let's just start with this first thing right here. So this looks like a wacky rig kit. This is pretty cool. Actually, it says it's a Nico 6.5 pre-rigged Nico. That is cool. Look at those weedless hooks, regular size hooks, already ribbed in the middle with the thing, with the split shot. And these are what? These are 6.5 inch worms, tournament grade, apparently. These feel really good. This looks to be a green pumpkin. This is really cool. This is actually really cool. So it has what? Nail weight already in it. Split ring, wacky hook in the tail. It talks about, it gives you rigging, retrieving. And then they get to talk about catch and release. This is really cool. I'm gonna have to look into this company a little bit more. I like what they got going on. Oh, okay. We got a little Yozura, however you say it. Rattlin' Vibe. Sorry, guys. Rattlin' Vibe. This is just a small lipless crankbait. It is 55 millimeters, 2.8, 3 ounce, 3/8 ounce sinking. And it's just a good color, just that golden black. It's a good color. Next, another square bill, Livingston Lures. Primetime Square 2.0 Bassmaster Classic winning sound technology. And that is about the same type of color as the last one. Looks like a goldish black and white with a little bit of an orange belly there. Just a good looking square bill. This goes to a depth of 6 foot. Wow, pretty good. It's a nice looking crankbait. Let's grab this one. What do we got here? Ooh, looks like Shaky heads. So rattling, googly eye, swing football jig heads. If you can hear that rattle, wow. That is pretty cool. Callens, 7/16 ounce. Well, I get what the sound's for. I'm not really... Maybe the googly eyes was what makes the sound. We'll have to look at that a little bit more in depth. But that's pretty cool. What do we have here? Ooh, wow, this is pretty. Look at that. Look at those colors on that guy. So this is lifted jigs, the Slm Swim Jig. They have a video on it. Actually, just text it for video and tips. That's pretty cool. 3/0 micro hook, molded mad eye, 42 strand premium skirt, chip resistant paint. That is actually a really nice jig. I really like that. I really like the red flakes there that sparkle. I actually haven't got a frog since getting back into bass fishing, so here's my first frog. It's Googan Squad Filthy Frog. It's black with the green lettering on top. You see little green Googan eyes on it, I think. It's pretty nice. The Googan Squad Weedless with a hollow body. This 2.5 inch long, weight at 5/8. That's pretty cool. Maybe get to use that this summer, hopefully. Here's some shaky heads. Excavator stand-up shaky heads. So this is Catchco. Associated one. 3/16 ounce. See, the hard hat jigs Excavator will always stand up when called on. The compact jig head can fit into tight spots and is hypersensitive, so you can detect every nibble on the line. Black 4/0 hook, 2-pack. Those do look pretty cool, and I just threw it down. Whoops. Alright, so we got some Carl's Amazing Baits. These look like, I think this is a June bug color. We'll get to the back and look exactly. Ribbon tail worms. Pretty sure it's a June bug. Let's see if it says. It does not. It just says, it's not just the proven fishing catching designs, quality materials, or gentle massages he gives for. That's pretty funny. No, it doesn't have a color, but I'm pretty sure that's a June bug color. I like the June bug. So that would be great on that shaky head, or even these jig heads right here. Okay, next on the list we have some 10,000 Fish Saw Craw. I've used a few of the 10,000 Fish stuff so far, and I absolutely love it. These seem to be their crawfish. You could use that for like some of the stuff they've already gave us. It says, inspired by the innovation and craftsmanship long associated with the Japanese lure market, saw craw falling through the water, claw flapping into the depths, and tug on the line. And does it say the size on these guys? These are probably like 5 inches. I'd say 4 inches. That's close. 7-pack. Those are nice. Those would go great with the shaky heads or those little jig heads there. Let's see. Ooh, Gambler. I used to have a ton of Gambler stuff. So this is the 4.25 Easy Swimmers. 7 of them in here. And these are just a or a paddle tail swim bait. And these look awesome. Look at that. If you can see those flakes in there, it just looks amazing. I really like that. Yeah, and that blue and the clear. I have a bunch of stuff like that for the swim stuff. Bait fish imitations. Let's go with this guy next. So this is I don't know how to say that. Gordito? I think it's Gordito. Super Mega Certified 13 Fishing. Gordito floating 3/8 ounce up to 7 foot in this little guy. That's really cool. I like that pattern. That could go for like a smallmouth or even a craw or anything. It's just kind of like a versatile, like little light brown color like that. VMC Hooks, that's nice. Premium chemically black sharpened nickel hooks. High definition paint finishes, 3D eyes, internal weight position for casting. And you can hear that little rattle in there to it. That is an awesome looking bait. And the last but not least, okay, this is Weston Scandinavia. I like Weston stuff. Oh, these are their stick baits. So this is kind of a unique design on a stick bait. You have that midsection where you could rig it up at. They're pretty chunky. And these are 5-inch, 5-piece stickworm, Weston stickworms. Gives you a wacky Nico rig and a Texas rig with offsets. Let's see what this says. Stickworm. Take a poll of the best anglers in America, and they'll almost tell you one thing: stick baits catch bass, period. And hey, we love to catch bass. They do. I love stick baits too. I like weird looking stick baits. I used to be a huge fan of the Exo sticks, and I still am, but I would love to catch some off of something funky like this. well. I didn't see our fancy decal in there. Well guys, that has been it. That has been the Googan Motherload box, or sorry, not Googan, mystery tackle box. What I'm saying, I always think of the Googan baits inside, so I'm like, Googan. No, Motherload mystery tackle box. Huge box full of awesome baits. The only thing we were missing was that decal. The only decal we got was this one. I'll dig around in there a little bit more to make sure, but where's my sticker? I love stickers. It's always the best part of it, but that's okay. Still got a great value out of everything. All those baits look awesome. Cannot wait to try them out. Can't wait to put them in the box. Can't wait to fish them. Very excited. But stay tuned. Got a lot of big stuff coming up. Like I said, I got 2 fishing things in mind. I got one that's just right over there. Literally a few hundred feet that way. Maybe I'll catch some fish there for you guys. Going up to try to get on some cutthroats this weekend. Hopefully this Sunday. It's supposed to be kind of a dreary day, so we'll see how it goes. But that's Washington for you. Sometimes you got to deal with the rain. And then I got some kayak mod stuff coming up too. So stay tuned. Hit the alert bell, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys' support. Get out there and catch some fish, guys.